Is it a chair? Look. Look, ready? Adrian. Adrian, look. Look.
Oh my gosh. Leah, look. Can you got your own chair? Can you sit? Betty's not gonna sit. How about you sit? Come on. Is there something else in there?
Another present! It's for Leah. It's for Leah. You want to rip it?
Oh my goodness.
It's your own computer!
Wow. What do you say? Leah, what do you say? Look at me. Leah, what do you say? Can you say thank you? Say thanks for my presents. Well, she thanks you anyway.